Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with reliability and styling without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Porsche Macan in jet black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, sport mode, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5566A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.